Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of part 1 of the anime convention vlog I did, and I wanted to make this part better, but as you can see it's not very long, so it couldn't be that much better, right? I'm gonna come in later and explain a little bit further about the stuff I struggled to fucking explain. So let's watch the video. I'm back. Today I'm alone, which is quite awkward for me and for everybody around me. But I'm gonna try to socialize and be less of a fucking loser. I just participated in the dance workshop. It was outside, it was way too hot, but I slayed the house down boots mama with an NCT Dreams smoothie. Let's see if I remember the choreo when I'm at home. Yeah, and I brought some boba. Some Red Bull boba with lychee poppies. And yes, I know I didn't film yesterday. I forgore, okay? I forgore. I'm sorry. But look at it. That's pretty much everything. Yeah, this is the other room. Half of the other room at least. You can play epic gaming stuff. And on the other side of the room are the artists. They can play some Dance Revolution, but I don't have friends, so fuck that shit. Just Dance, fuck yeah. And here they are, the fucking artists. Yeah.
You're autistic.
Hello, we are back home. It's very fucking awkward to go to an anime convention alone, I've noticed. Especially since I'm not somebody who socializes. So pretty much I talked to 2 people. One was a former classmate and one was the girl from the K-pop stand. She was pretty nice, it was pretty fun, but that's pretty much it. So I just wandered around aimlessly the whole time, felt very much uncomfortable. Then I watched the cosplay contest and, well, I went home. I didn't film any of the competitions because I would want to tag the creators that did the cosplays, but I just didn't remember their names. So that's why I don't see anything of the stage performances and stuff. And I wanted to do some more vlogging today to make up for the mistake that I made yesterday. The mistake of the whole video of yesterday. But I think it's gonna be equally as short as the last video just because I'm so bad at fucking vlogging. And watching the fucking performances, I have 2 things that I want to talk about. First of all, Genshin Impact ruined anime conventions. Everything is Genshin. Cosplays, Genshin. Stores, Genshin. Everybody just gives a shit about fucking Genshin Impact. Oh, and the second thing I want to say, Minecraft servers have ruined anime conventions. All the performances are fucking Dream SMP, Mojo Jojo, whatever the fuck all their names are. Okay, I actually can't believe how I didn't talk about it enough, because the performers were your enjoyment. You know I love me some cringe, you know? The first few performances were actually really good. They were like emotional based and stuff. Boring. Then there was the mumbo jumbo person that just did an improv thing about the roleplay. It was pretty good, not gonna lie. But then something came on stage. 2 people. One person was dressed as, which looked to me like they were cosplaying Trisha Paytas, and the other person was cosplaying some fucking anime character. I don't remember for the love of God what anime that was based on. But the performance, let me tell you, it was beautiful. It was pretty much just Trisha Paytas running away, and the other person walking up to them like, "Why are you running from me? You know you belong to me, right? You cannot escape. Your little pussy belongs to me." It was very awkward, and it was like 2 minutes of just this the whole time. And then the interviewer came and asked, "Oh yeah, what the fuck was that?" And they stayed in character. I mean, Trisha Paytas was like, "Oh yeah, she made me do this shit." And the other person was like,
Yeah, that's because we're a little crazy. I can't even do it. It was so funny. I was sitting in the audience like just enjoying the fucking pure cringe. It was so funny. Unfortunately, I don't know who won because I didn't stay that long. Because I just wanted to get the fuck out of there. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to elaborate on that. That was hilarious.
Anyways, let's unbox the shit I've bought today. So I got all of my shit in this bag. I'm just gonna reach in and take the first thing that comes. Ah. It's just pepper, it's just candy. I mean, it's pretty good, it's just fucking pepper. So the next item I got is a Sasuke figure. This one is really sick, it was 40 bucks. And I need a knife, wait a minute. Oh my god. I didn't know I bought a Gojo figurine. Oh, spoiler alert, by the way. Alright, so here it is. It's from his fight against Day2. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay, so next I got Itachi. Oh my god. Dude, what the f... They don't even give you instructions. Of course they don't. And there we have it. Look at that. That is fucking sick. And the last item. It's Ocarina. I have no fucking clue how to play this shit. I got instructions with it though. But still, fucking hell. I give up. Alright, that's it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a very short video again, I know, thank you very much. I do daily uploads, that's why I need these fucking videos. But anyways, if you like the video, if you like me, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.